Okay, this is configuration 1 of the monobeam stairs configurable model. Okay, so check this out. These letters, they come very handy for describing different configurations of the monobeam stairs. This is I. It sort of looks like an I, kind of slanted, of course. I, L. This is the L model. R kind of looks like an R if you look at it this way. S. It's the S model. IBM. BM stands for bird's mouth. And RBM. Bird's mouth R. And of course, if configuration 1 is kind of the debug model, I wish that Fusion would allow me to rename configuration 1. It won't allow me to do that. So anyways, here we are. It all depends what you need. And from that, I have been able to work on this project here. All right, I'm not finished yet, but I came to this portion and I wanted to show off. Okay, so we also have the railing. The railing's put on separately. When I put it in, I insert it and then I line up the sketch with the sketch on the stair model, right? I just line up the sketches. Oh, the sketch is here somewhere. There it is. No, I'll line it up with this. I line it up with the edge of the stairs. And I put an assembly on it, and that's how I got here. However, here I also have a curve. It was not easy to do, but I made a little sketch on the floor there, made a separate object, project to surface command, and a bunch of other things, and it is totally parametric. Putting this curved railing was not easy. What did I do? Oh, I offset this curve, and I offset it by the same amount as the railing. Then I pushed it down, the difference between the guardrail and the railing, and I put it down, and I used the edge of that offset surface to create this thing and to create the railing extension. All right, so not easy, but I think I'm going to push the stair model to my store. It's not up yet, but it will be soon. Stair model, the monobeam stair model, and the railing, and it will be a set. I know that certain people in the stair building industry might like that, and that will be for sale as a Fusion 360 model.